Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can cut a solid with a surface in SolidWorks, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solvi Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump to the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the top plan, right click, normal to, right click, then sketch. I'm gonna go to the sketch here, I'm gonna go to the center rectangle, I'm gonna add a rectangle of 100 millimeter here. Then I'm gonna add the same value here, 100 millimeter dimension, click OK. Then exit the workbench, then go to features, then go to extruded boss or base. I'm gonna add here an extrusion of 100 millimeter, then click on OK. Next, I'm gonna go to the front plan, right click, normal to, right click, then sketch. I'm gonna go to the spline command. I'm gonna draw a spline like this. Okay, then I'm gonna exit the workbench. Okay, I'm gonna go to surfaces, then extruded surface. For the first limit, I'm gonna add 100 millimeter, and I'm gonna add the same value for the second limit or for the second direction, then click on OK. Great. Next, I'm gonna go to the cut with surface command. I'm gonna click on the surface. So this is the arrow. If it's going up, this means that we're gonna delete the upper side, we're gonna keep the bottom side of the solid. Okay, so if I click OK, we're gonna keep the bottom side of the solid, you see. And if you change the direction of the arrow, you're gonna keep the upper side of the solid. Okay, so this is how you can cut a solid with a surface in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.